Comes the Cessna now. That's Solero Oliver intersection. This is a couple houses down from 24191, and he's coming this way. He's just gone right behind the tree. He's going this way. That's the fireman's house right below him, next door. So he's flying out around the back of my house again. See, so look how much louder it is just from my backyard. And so he did a full U-turn right here, and he's just revving because I was out front. Ooh, wow, look at that for a cover-up of the paint jumbo line. So this guy flew out to just over Oliveira and then did a sharp U-turn. Now he's staying on this side of my house. So in a minute, someone will come out and turn and stay on that side. And then right after that, he'll come and he'll turn and go that way. Alright, so I'm going to cut and save. Now that was a really nice cover-up.